what is Braille? So whenever I meet someone new and they ask, Pancham, what do you do for a living? And I respond that we make public places accessible for people with disabilities, as in for people who are visually impaired, deaf and wheelchair users. And how we do it? We make Braille Signages, sign language videos and portable ramps. So roughly I get about 3 types of reactions. Reaction number 1, what is Braille? How does it work? Kya hai? Kaise hai? Reaction number 2, so they have a fair idea. So this is it like raised letters with the help of which the visually impaired sort of touch and read and write. And reaction number 3, my favorite, they say, Pancham, yes, we know Braille is something related to raised dots, and we have seen these in lifts, ATMs and railway stations, something which we started. So congratulations for the people who are in category 1 and 2, you found me. So in the next 5 minutes, I'm actually going to teach you how to read and write Braille. So let's get started. Before we begin, let me share you my story, how I got introduced to Braille. So this goes way back in 2011 while I was working with Infosys Mysore. So one of our CSR initiatives required us to visit a blind school. So when we went there, I entered a classroom and I saw a couple of visually impaired students with a slate in hand and a stylus punching on white papers. Out of curiosity, I asked, can you teach me Braille? And they said, yes, why not? And from that day to now, there's no looking back. It's part of my profession now. And back in those days, I was actually able to type way faster than a lot of the other visually impaired students. Now let's get started. So let me first introduce you to a typical Braille cell. So this is a Braille cell which consists of 2 columns and 3 rows. And this is called as dot 1, dot 2, dot 3, dot 4, dot 5 and dot 6. So when we rearrange and have certain set of combinations of these embossed dots, then it represents different letters, numbers as well as punctuations. So now I'm going to teach you from A to J. So there's a cheat code. If you remember A to J, then it becomes easy to replicate the remaining letters. So dot 1 is A, dot 1 and 2 is B, dot 1 and 4 is C, dot 1, 4, 5 becomes D, dot 1, 5 is E, dot 1, 2, 4 is F, dot 1, 2, 4, 5 is G, dot 1, 2, 5 is H, dot 2, 4 is I, dot 2, 4, 5 is J. So all you need to remember is letter A to J. Now you add dot 3 in the entire row. So this becomes K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S and T. Now for the remaining letters, add dot 6 to the same thing. There's one exception though. Again, copy paste. Now add dot 6. So this becomes U, V, X, Y and Z. Okay, the exception is we didn't add W because W is mirror image of R. Now this, we completed the entire A to Z in Braille. Now to understand the numbers, again it is very simple. This is a number sign, dot 3, 4, 5, 6. When you add this in front of A, it becomes number 1. B becomes 2, C becomes 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0. So if I need to write number A, then number 1, it becomes this. If I need to write number 2, it becomes this. If I need to write number 6, it becomes this. And hence the entire numbers and letters are covered. So congratulations, now know how to read Braille. Thank you so much for your time and attention. I hope you found this video pretty informative, and share it with your friends and family. And this was my first video, and please bear my bad handwriting. Our intent is to make India truly accessible and inclusive country. Thank you so much for your time. Signing off, Pancham Cajla. Jai Hind.